Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 967480. This is a spindle for a 373 control, and this video is going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. We'll do a little bit of research on it as well, see what we can come up with. Overall length of the spindle, about 3 inch. Got a hole drilled through the end there. This piece of key stock is going to be 0.281 by 0.28 by 281. So 0.28 inch, 1/4, 4/16, 5/30 seconds, I would say. 5/30 seconds. Sorry, 9/30 seconds. 9/30 seconds is what I'm thinking. Is that what I'm thinking? I think so. 1 divided by 32 times 9. Yeah, 9/30 seconds. 0.281 by 28. Now, let's take a look at the... let's switch to the screen view and see if we can find this item in a parts drawing. Okay, so this is the item that we're looking at. So let's click on the manufacturer's page within our site and see if we can come up with a parts manual. There's a document here called Von Duprin Parts Manual. Let's see if that's going to help us. And we're looking for 967480. So I'm Control F, or the find function. 967480. I don't see that brings us up anything. Let me pause this video. There were 2 documents on that page that were titled Parts Manual, but neither of those worked. So one thing that I like to do is a search called, or the search site : absupply.net space 967480, and that sort of search finds on our site. Here's what the search looks like: site : domain, then the item that you're looking for. Well, that comes up with a 373L lever trim. Okay, so yeah, it's clearly the spindle for the 373L. Let's go back to one of our parts manuals and type in 373L. Okay, well, we find the trim. .373L. I did need to reach out to the manufacturer's site to find the 373L trim parts manual. And we have indeed found it here. And when we pull this document up, and it will be linked to down below this video by the time you're seeing this, 373-L. And I was unable to find anything on it except on the template for the trim itself. They refer to the spindle. There's no there's no other reference to it. No part number. I can't find it on the manufacturer's site in a parts manual. So the trim itself does show the spindle. So at the end of the day, if you have a 373L trim, or a BE trim, a blank escutcheon, which means it's a passage, that's your spindle right there. And this will be uploaded to this item. I wish we were able to find more information about this. Let's conclude this video on camera. Well, a lack of supporting documentation aside, that is indeed what the spindle will look like. Obviously, that hole that's going to drive through there is going to have something to do with how they're going to secure it inside of the unit. There must be a set screw that runs through there, would be my imagination. You know, having a little bit of experience with how Von Duprin trims are put together, they have threaded set screws that keep things together as well. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Von Duprin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Von Duprin 967480 or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.